call themselves kings of the campus, walking like lions without conscience. No teacher could challenge their darkness. Fear was the language of the helpless. Fear was the language of the helpless. Kayalan, gentle like morning light, focused on dreams, trying to survive. She never followed the evil crowd, but wicked hands pulled her down. Blood on the floor, heaven was crying. Angels were silenced while Kayalan dying. But death was not the end of the story. The wilderness opened in fury. EEWOO, EEWOO, you touched the innocent soul. Abomination, now the spirits take control. Kayalan, Kayalan, your cry became the fire. One by one they fall tonight, consumed by judgment and wrath. EEWOO, EEWOO, come on, no, they sleep forever. Abomination, every evil has a payment. Kayalan rise from the shadows, eyes burning red like fire. Every scream inside the forest turned the hunters into prey. EEWOO, EEWOO, forbidden blood has touched the earth. Kayalan, Kayalan, spirit of vengeance, spirit of wrath. No escape from consequences. No
Put your hands together for yourself, students. It shall be well with you in Jesus' name.
Amen.
To the new section of this citadel of education. And as you all know, that as we have resumed, every one of you should be able to read your books very well. Am I communicating?
Yes, sir.
Am I talking to you?
Yes, sir.
Read your books very well. Every one of you will graduate in the name of Jesus.
Amen.
Therefore, let me remind you, because this is a new section, you must read your books very well. At the same time, you must tell your parents that there is time for school fee. And the school fees start from tomorrow. When you are coming tomorrow, come with your school fee, or else you will not be allowed to enter into the school premises. Am I communicating?
Yes, sir.
There is a school of thought that says readers are leaders. Readers are what? Leaders. That is, the more you read, the more you have the understanding to lead. This country is going wayward because of our wrong leader. They are leading without reading. So I crave your indulgence that every one of you must take your books with priority. Must read your books with priority. Am I talking to you?
Yes, sir.
So when you are coming to school tomorrow, make sure you come with your school fee. If you don't come with your school fees, you will not be allowed to enter into the school premises. Tell your parents, by the fortune given to me as the head teacher, if you are not coming to school tomorrow with your school fee, you won't be allowed to enter. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Am I communicating with everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and at this time, let me invite someone that have read very well. Someone that have represented us very well. That have done well for this school. Her name is Esther Fagbero. Jam your hands together for her. You cannot clap for me. Okay. You can see her that she's a very good girl. She read her books. She represented us very well. You can see how neat she is. Henceforth, she is the head prefect of this citadel of education. Iyo! Who said Iyo? Are you mad or something?
Now we get that.
I know who you are. And I'm going to make sure that I show you who I am. As every one of you that have grown old in this citadel of education, in this school, and you have not graduated, I am going to expel every one of you.
Yeah. Oh, well. Esik, sir.
Mosik.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I'll confirm it.
Well done, sir. Then well done, man. We've heard you very well.
Clearly. Very clearly.
But for us here, we are not ready to leave this school at all. We like this school. We love this school. We cherish this school. We adore this school. A ṣì ń gbádùn school yìí lọ́wọ́. Àwọn ready láti lọ nítorí àwọn náà dẹ̀ ṣe kí ni à ń sanwó. We are paying, isn't it? Of course we are. 100. Up school. Up Garato.
Pardon? Is that our school slogan?
You
want to talk?
Excuse me, sir.
Okay.
As for me, I'm not leaving this school. I go die poor. It be by my kusi. I will go.
For this school?
And so.
Ṣé orí yín pẹ́ ṣá? Tẹ́ ẹ bá sọ pé ẹ ní kúrò school, máa fi ẹgbẹ́ náà tí ń bàjẹ́. Your mates are giving birth. Especially you, yes? Your mates are giving birth to 2, 3 in their husband houses. You have not finished secondary school. Even you too. Oh my God. You are telling me all school? Am I here Can you see your student?
Yes, sir. Please, are you going to Lami's scholarship?
Guys, don't emulate them. Don't copy them. Every one of you, I will let you know that even me, I did not pass out. I failed out.
Yes.
Every one of you will fail. Emma failed. F9 parallel. Are you mad or something? You know what? Pressure Tiwa. Head girl, you can go back. You continue with them tomorrow. You can see what I'm facing. Prepare for them. So look at what I know and me. Are you ready to sing so that you can go back to our classes? 1, 2, go!
We are marching on to the land of success. By failure. We are marching on to the land of success.
They call themselves kings of the campus, walking like lions without conscience. No teacher could challenge their darkness. Fear was the language of the helpless. Fear was the language of the helpless. Kyalan, gentle like morning light, focused on dreams, trying to survive. She never followed the evil crowd, but wicked hands.
Kazim, they give me bad report about it now. And watch that shit, really. Kazim, they tell me say I don't deliver, since for take deliver. Over Panisha. You know me, normal. I want ain't your body, no your body, normal. And I know who that they deal with. I say that they want me. And what? What shall I go let you go to your normal? And I know as I take me, I don't want dinner. Over Kirirani. Wait till stop, talk.
Guy, calm down. This is something we can have as an adult conversation. You know me well now, Alinero now. No be everything where we dey collect, we know they deliver. You know me now. I dey give you, as I dey collect, I dey give you 100. Why can't I know they doubt me now, I clear your doubt.
You know, last week I called her for a deposit too. Trust me, 100 a day.
Normal. I mean, truly, last week you give me, I know, normal you deliver. But what may I know, normal. May I not do rubbish with me, I'm a bad way, go to you. And why am I doing you? But you, Ah, pàdé mi má bínú jàre. Over. My boy. Sabios.
Yes, sir. Yes.
You Sabios?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Nah. You Sabios everybody school?
Yes, sir.
Say we the student.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Never graduate.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm that student. What's in your body?
Yes, sir. I don't have anything to do, sir. I don't have anything.
Check on where check on.
I don't have anything to do, sir.
Anything no do your body. At least ọgbẹ́ ṣó ń dọ́là rẹ̀ fún ọ̀nà àforúkọ ẹ̀rọ tẹ̀sílẹ̀.
What's up, before what's up? Bó ṣe ń bọ̀ báyìí mò ń wú ẹ̀. You dey mad? Wait there.
Pàdé mi, come here.
Yeah, good boy. Yeah, good boy. He's a good boy. Come here.
Dọ́tọ̀.
Ṣọgbọ́n yóò wà.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Wọ́n tó wá pa wọ́n kọ́. Ó máa jalè ní, ó máa jalè ní, sir. Ó máa jalè ní, sir.
Ọmọ pàdé ni kò dá fún ẹ. Òun gé o.
Ọjà gidi. Àwọn là confront fún ìjẹ́.
Ìkọ̀dá ìbò lásì.
Ìjẹ́. Ìkọ̀dá ìbò dísì.
She never followed the evil crowd, but wicked hands pulled her down. Blood on the floor, heaven was crying, angels were silent, Wakayal undying. But death was not the end of the story. The wilderness opened in fury.
Can't you greet us? Don't you see us? Are you crazy? I don't understand. How are you insinuating? So you mean I should kneel down and greet you guys, my fellow students? Eh? It seems you are crazy. You must be stupid. Oh, stop! Don't try it now. I know her. Esther.
I'm fine. She was okay. Okay. You know what? Let her go.
Mama.
You know what? Sometimes all doesn't pay. Let her go and let her be. Mr. Principal, you see your life now. You see your life outside. But that day you get out for me now. You tell me say you get juju. You tell me say you won't kill me, you won't kill my girls. But now as you can't dey here now, carry the juju out now. Use me, I see her. Use me, I see her.
You call it to me like say man knock on something. Me blushing. See as it be.
Stop it now. Not shit. Stop it.
I don't get you.
You should go to watch me by Lily now. You go to watch me by Oyato to become a shame. You understand now?
Straight to business, man.
The business is about to go.
Go where?
Kneel down there.
Mr. Principal, just sit down like this. Just sit down. You know it now.
I don't know.
You know it.
I don't know.
That day they tell me, see, all my mates, they don't born like 3 children for house. You remember that?
Talk, try, what did they do you?
I was trying to paparazzi.
You still dey speak English. Oh, if you say man, she me like it. You know what you go do now? What you do this?
Chingo.
You dey crazy.
You go for your mama's village.
Let's stop it now. What be this? Condom. You know it now. This condom, let's not tell on that line. So you can't use them one by one. One by one for all of us. Yes. So tell me, say we can't get belly. Now today we won't carry belly.
Yes, now.
I be getting fit. Yes,
so
today.
Oh, yeah. I'll get belly.
You go one by one for us.
My students, I don't have the strength. I've been working for government for past 18 years. Please, I want to resign peacefully.
You know what me.
Say amen.
Kò ní dá fún yín o. Amen. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ. Abeg, ẹ tú kini ẹ.
No be so, babe. Mo lose this thing. No, yeah, babe.
Ẹ mọ̀ kọ́ ẹ dẹ́kẹ́ nǹkan ṣe kí ni.
Ẹ má ṣe anything. You won't let me.
Make him come.
Who they return?
get straight. I don't get straight too. I don't get straight.
For the blood of innocence, yeah. Karma is a light to nation. Judgment burning in the night.
I don't want you. I don't play on you, son. EEWOO. Ni baby see you. You want him my battle. Now you want to. Now you need to.
I'm with it.
I go kill you today.
God bless John now.
What the money called you? I want to say
God bless you. God will continue to bless you. You shall not wale. You shall not yoju. You shall not kaku. Wetin dey sup now?
Baba na 3 palaba see achieve walai. Walai. Palele ike.
You get something where we go on yarn you. Baba ma gbé yín débẹ̀ tán. As in, no thing gbé mi nú gangan ní sẹ́. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gan now? Now that stupid girl wey dey call Esther now. She go dey do rubbish. Wetin sup now? Yàrá yẹ ó ti ń ṣe jù rẹ̀ lọ́nà. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Yes, na the reason I like you be that. Now you get the same vibe. You dey reason me. I wan talk about that girl, Baba. To God, she go dey do like say na him papa wey get that school. Wetin happen on top wetin? Ṣé ló máa kọ́ mọ́ wé ni? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
No do am like this now. Baba K, you kuku know say na next week be my birthday. Make we just set am that day. Make we do the do.
Chop am, Sadiq.
Up Garaton. My people, how na dey?
Gallant day,
Are you okay?
100.
Are you Baba?
100. I'm better now.
Now you put me for tears. Now you say make I be your number one.
Don't
Anything I do, now me do am.
Yes, now.
Anything me I do, now you do am. My guy, on your day, something will happen.
Baba the son.
Let me dey now.
Them say make I run for my life. If I really want to cast, Oluwa don't cover me.
That's so.
Give all belong to Caesar. Poverty, they make life tough. Ballad of a lost boy. Story of a young boy. Ballad of a lost boy.
They call themselves kings of the campus, walking like lions without conscience. No teacher could challenge their darkness. Fear was the language of the helpless. Fear was the language of the helpless. Caroline, gentle like morning light.
Where are you coming from? I want that to say. How does that concern you? They were kind of doing I'll say my they were doing rubbish. What rubbish? Like they were kind of kind of romance in the school. So, what is your evidence? Ma, they are still there, ma. So, I should follow you down there. I didn't say that. Go back to your class.
I saw them now. I saw
Blood
them.
on the floor, heaven was crying. angels were silenced while Kyle undying.
Esther!
But death was not the end of the story. The wilderness opened in fury.
Esther, what are you doing? Are we not? Esther, we are friends now.
You're too brass. I don't even feel it.
What's my change? Yes.
Because I like you.
Thank you very much. But yes, my name is more than I need. There's this very party. I would like you to go. You know I want to attend very party. No, it's just for school premises. School premises. Yes. Yes. Okay, I will insist. I will stay.
We have an assignment. Very sure you will do your assignment.
I'm wait. Okay, now thank you.
Bye. Bye.
Ẹkùn lọ́wọ́ yìí. Tẹ̀wá ti gbọ́ gbé kọ́ mi.
Ó tiẹ̀ dábẹ́. So na here na dey. What do they sup for here now?
Ma bí mi lérè. Who is this? Who you be?
So, ọmọ tẹ́lẹ̀ ti ní plan fún. Lẹ́yìn wá ń gbé wá sí ibà kò ní dá fún yín.
They go punish you na the man. For here.
Even if they call now, we go knock person up. Na you dey come. Na your stage dey come. Wetin dey do this woman?
Ẹni ráyé ò máa yé àwọn tó máa yé ò dá mọ̀. Àwọn tó dá mọ̀ ò sí mọ̀.
Jẹ́ kọ́ mọ̀.
Every morning èèyàn ò mọ̀. Who don't know us na our enemy? Dem dey chop us like palliative.
100.
You no sabi person.
Oníyẹ.
Etutu, ice water. Bójò bá ń rọ̀ ẹyẹ kò kìkì.
100.
Ẹyẹkẹ́yẹ má ké mọ́ ẹyẹ tiwa ló gbòde. Ẹ̀ ń bẹ́ o, ẹ̀ ń bẹ́ ṣá. Ẹ fẹ́ mọ̀ di abájọ wa ni. Ẹ mọ̀ pé bàbá lókè ni bàbá alájọ ti.
Ọlọ́run.
Jésù. Obìnrin ló ń ké sí.
Adúra wa lọ ti jàkadì kọ́ o. Then whenever a lion roar, dog doesn't bark.
So 100.
Be careful.
Mama, wetin dey talk for here now? This guy wey wan call me, see wetin this nigga do for
Dami Adekejo, otu poyoyo, mo ipo ye daru sha. You dey craze sha. Na dem who dey talk wey dey talk. Wow. K baba, no dey follow all this on shout now. You sef know say normal, you don do wetin you wan do na. Ati normal na. Hey. I want to say what I show.
Where this guy go? What's happening? You see wetin I cause?
You pick your bag up.
We dey pray.
How are you? How are you? Is there any information you have about these people? Okay. We are all looking for them, right? So if you found any one of them, don't hesitate to inform the school authority. Am I talking to you? Am I talking to you? Don't hesitate to inform the school authority. Give us any information about them so that we can all look for them together and find them. And you, is this your hair? See, the people who are looking for started this problem by carrying big hair. And I'm going to make sure that this hair is gone. Back away from me. Back away from me. What else you waiting for? Go back. I see them. I don't know.
Touching now.
While is she dead?
No, they are sleeping.
See another person there.
Oh, you come to school, right? Yes, ma'am. Oh, we are sorry. The school has been shut down for now due to the missing students. So, very soon, because school authority are working on it, very soon I know they will cut it off. Eh? So, you people can go back to your various home. Eh? Thank you, you're welcome.
So, Auntie, how do you do?
You to your house. You to your house. Very soon. Very soon, we are sorry, eh? You are welcome. Thank you, ma'am.
Heaven was crying, angels were silent while Kyle undying. But death was not the end of the story. The wilderness opened in fury. EEWOO, EEWOO, you touched the innocent soul. Abomination, now the spirits take control. Kyle, your cry became the fire. One by one they fall tonight, consumed by judgment and wrath.
Did she just said our school has destroyed now? But I pay my school fees. I just them to refund you.
Who does that? People don't teach you where. Tell them that you don't go.
Just imagine. If not because of those fees, they have put themselves in the trouble. I think this might have happened. I told my dad. My dad didn't come to school. Your dad.
My own dad did the same thing.
Yes, you think so?
It could have been in EEWOO. Death arose in the wilderness. Kyle rise from the shadows. Every scream inside the forest turned the hunters into
God, why? God, why? No,
wilderness. I saw her standing near the river. Covered in anger, covered in death.
Once you don't enter my body, make anybody not drink this water.
This person, what did you do this water? See what I'm not treat now.
I don't know, you never let me happen to him. I don't know, not drink this water.
Please. Let's go. I beg. Now we go now.
Oh, just go. Take water.
Hello, my colleagues. We thank God that we have resumed. We appreciate God for giving us the privilege to open the school again. I'm very sure that every one of us knew why the school was down or why the school was suspended. Thank God that the school has not been finally suspended. I understand that every one of us really work a lot. In fact, if I should tell you what my experience is, and I know that you have your own experiences too, what can we do now is to make sure that we do the right thing at the right time, and we'll make sure that this occurrence does not happen again. My own experience was pretty bad, so can you tell me your own experience?
My own experience, ó bad gan. Ní gbogbo àdúgbò tí mo ti ń kọjá, tí a ná àwọn parents wọ́n fẹ́ lè fàṣẹ mọ́ mi lọ́rùn. Wọn ò jẹ́ kí n fi nínú mi rárá. Wọ́n béèrè àwọn. Wàhálà yẹn pọ̀ lórí àwọn ọmọ yìí. Ó sú mi o. In fact, very good job.
The parents of the missing students, they nearly naked me. Ellie, imagine being a Sairela and your jack. I feel be a missing lady.
You have any?
Sir, the experience was very tough.
Are you in your own experience?
Yes, but my colleague have said it all. What more can I say? We should just be thankful that the school has now opened.
Yes.
So give God
thank God. And let every one of us
Hi! God bless you. So this is true. Who gave all of you the audacity to open this school without my notice? Eh? I thought they said they want to ban this school. Please, where is my daughter? I've been looking for my daughter since. And you people are here, busy, doing some kind of business meeting. Your plans will not work. Please, where is my daughter? Where is my daughter?
Madam, calm down. Calm down. The incident has happened, and every one of us are aware. We are working on it, and we will find your time for you. In fact, these children, they are not good children. Yes. They are wayward children.
Yes. Sir, madam, please calm down. Even these children in question, they are cultists.
Keep quiet. What are you saying? Eh? I raised my child in a very good way. How I wish my husband. Oh, you're so restless. How I wish my husband is alive to be saying this rubbish. I don't know anything to say. All I am saying is, try my child for me. Or you will kill me here today. But I want to tell you that you must give me my daughter. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere.
It's not our fault.
I'm not going anywhere. Give me my child.
These children are not good children in the school.
They are not good children at the Kilimoto. Let's allow our people to how much I don't find what is school. I want to let our mama walk in. All of Mama come to me.
Madam,
Wetin we know be say we are go reach house dele o. Àwọn tí bá lọ bọ́ta lásán.
Guys, what I am more concerned about is how to find others. How are we going to find them now?
Are you mad or something? Others will remain so. Don't worry, sir. She dey follow me talk, Jare. She be woman. She I won't need life me. I need to go by. This thick forest. Oh, but good afternoon, Mr. Shawa Shembi. Ọmọ yìí o, oh, I need go be by. Need go kiji. Thick forest. Thick forest. And this other.
Enter bush now. People enter bush. Like say you don't know what you do.
Don't mind this one, Jare.
Why do they do like this now? Why do they do like this?
Oh, you inside this mess.
Don't they do like that, Jare?
I'm mama fi ṣe bí ọmọ fi ọwọ́ ẹ.
Oh, stop now. Why they do like this now?
Wọ́n bá yẹ jẹ́ omi ayé wèrè o. Ayé wèrè o.
Wetin dey stop now?
See wetin this guy dey do now for inside this place.
But death was not the end of the story. The wilderness opened in fury.
I shouldn't worry like that. You know Kazim now. Kazim is a very wicked person. Hey, Kazim can kill because of you. I don't want to die. Are you sure?
Your cry became the fire. One by one they fall tonight, consumed by judgment and wrath. Come on, no, they sleep forever. Abomination. Every evil has a payment.
Will you shut up? Are you asking me? So you don't see him when he's kissing my bed?
Baba, now don't miss every killer now. Why now?
Okay, now. They calm down now. I want to stop now.
My babe! I can do anything because of my babe. She's my life.
Calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down, man.
What is happening?
Now the spirits take control. Your cry became the fire. One by one they fall tonight. Consumed by judgment tonight. Come on, no, they sleep forever. Abomination. Every evil has a payment.
Kasali. My Kasali. The security man. Our security man. Wait. Why are you so concerned about this erase issue? Why are you so bothered about it? Tell me.
Ó yẹ kó bí fani. Ọmọ kékeré sí ẹ. Ire ayọ̀ mi.
With this your age.
Don't tell me that one.
I pity you.
Iye pọ̀.
I love your ambition.
Ṣé àti tó débẹ̀ látàrọ̀ ni?
You have almost reached there now. Soon we get there. Now this.
If no be say this ire, na person wey dey important to me. I no dey like student like that. Even if you are a student, you have tell like that. Kí ló tún dúró ni?
It seems now this place I don't even know the correct. You mean na yes Asabi?
Ó ti ya wèrè gan. E be like say you don dey craze. Say because I dey follow you. Tí kò bá ṣe pé ọmọ ire náà wúlò fún mi nígbà tó wà school ni. Tí bá ṣe pé wúlò fún mi ni. Wàá mọ̀ dàbí láàmú báyìí.
Take it easy now. Take it. Even na yes as you dey go. Now this place.
Wá. Ó ya wèrè gan. No, e be like say you don dey craze. If to say you no craze, after 4 place, I don dey korita mi. O tún sọ pé e be like say.
I don't. Na place. We get there now. Don't worry. Kasali. We get there.
Don't kasali me, Yare. Don't kasali me.
For he has done so very much for me.
My dear sister, I want to tell you something. What's that? First and foremost, you have been a good sister to me. God will bless you. God will give you all your heart desires. If they are coming to this world, you will be my sister. God bless you. But there is something that I really want to tell you.
What's that?
I want to go to my house tomorrow.
Why?
My dear, you have tried. And you have tried for me. Morning, afternoon, night, you have been feeding me. My husband's house now will be filled with grass. I want to go and clear all the grasses there. And my cassava, let me go and be doing it. All the cassava and all the little things that is in my farm, they will start spoiling.
You want to go home and start thinking?
No, not at all. Don't say that.
Oh, is there anything I've done wrong?
You've not done anything to me. I would like to be going tomorrow, please.
So, what time are you going tomorrow?
Don't worry.
Látàárọ̀.
Junior.
Yes, ma'am.
Junior, how are you?
Afternoon, ma.
Afternoon. Don't tell me you are still going to this useless school. I have told your mother countless times to remove you from that stupid school. Hey?
Yes, ma'am. Ma, this security man said he wants to come and see you concerning Iri's issue.
Good afternoon, Mommy. I say make I come greet you because as you can see, now maybe chief security for that our school. Babereba son Hari. Now before you dey talk say we no get security. Now I don't go collect correct agbára pass agbára. Nobody go lost for our school again. Hey, ká má tiẹ̀ wulẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ púpọ̀. You know say I supposed to come greet you. We don't waka tire. We waka so tey we lost. Na 4 places we lost before we come get you. Na because I like your pikin and we don resume school now. As we resume, we are come miss Ire. I say make I come meet mama. Make I greet mama say person wey don die. He don die. Ire don die already. Wetin come pay me be say? Wetin pay me be say? Ire no suppose to tempt to follow these people go. Ire be say I don dey plan am say if I get money I fit marry that Ire. Sorry. See, Yoruba say ọmọ ẹni kú ó sàn ju ọmọ ẹni rò lọ. As he don die now, you know say person wey dey lọ, if he die, he don die later. Make ìgbà kámú no dey wá kú. Make ìgbà kámú no kú. See, make you understand wetin I dey tell you well well. As you see me so, I like Ire but as he come die, as Ire come die, that die na he dey pay me.
So you have left your school to come and
Mọ kìkẹ́. We miss Ire ni. Kò sí àbá wo, mo tọ́jú orin kan pamọ́ fún. Ire ayọ̀.
It's fine.
So that you gonna say I lost again.
Don't worry. I want to entertain you. I'm coming.
How can I mock my in-law? My in-law go bring something where I go use to enjoy my life. You this bororo. Your wallet too much.
If you are dealing with me then, you have come to take me there.
Make you not be waiting at the think. My in-law. I know say we don't work out tire inside sun. The sun don't suffer me well. This water, it go cool my body cool. But it don't cool away. Say no be peace, Say no be peace.
Thank you. That I don't have shit. If I have shit, I'll pour it.
What did I do?
I'll pour it.
You don't come now.
You will provide my daughter.
My in-law.
You will provide my daughter.
Yes. Okay, wait.
Where is my daughter? Where is my daughter? Where is she?
I no come get any supporter.
Where is she?
David, you carry me come. You see hold me. Yes, I know me.
Where is my daughter from me?
I don't carry your daughter. I don't carry your daughter. I don't carry.
crying in the wilderness. I saw her standing covered in anger, covered in death.
Àbí kí láǹfààní orógbó ta pa tí ò láwẹ̀.
Everywhere we try to run to.
A tún fẹ́ fi kí ẹ̀ dáná. Olúkòṣe ó tún lọ mọ̀ náà. Kí láǹfààní ẹgbẹ́ ta ṣe tí ò pé wa?
I don't know.
In fact, as a matter of fact, I should be back. How did we get here?
I saw her standing near the river.
Now my mama matter dey pay me pass. She go down dey find me.
Covered in anger, covered
so tell all the list to this case, bro.
I don't know.
Everywhere we try to run.
Mo ti fàyè mú fún Kristi. Mo ti padà. Mo ti padà sọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀ o bàbá.
Aláyé máa ti padà, máa ti padà. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni kò tó wà ní ìfọ̀dí.
Ikudede nínú igbó, death arose in the wilderness. Kayalan rise from the shadows, eyes burning red like fire. Every scream inside the forest turned the hunters into prey.
Wait till someone here. Who's that now? Answer me now. Who's that? Yeah. Yeah.
What do you call do for here?
They crazy me. We are with me. We there together. And you they ask me what we call do for here. Go and punish you.
Kò ní dá fún ẹ pẹ̀lú statement tó yẹ. Èmi ló ń pè ní ọmọ pẹ́nu.
Kò ní yẹ̀ ẹ̀rọ ẹ̀. Wèrè lélẹ́yìn ni.
So you get plan for us and they make you dey do all this rubbish. You dey mad?
You dey mad?
Oh, you think say you get sense, abi? You get plan. You won't come waste us from this place. Ogun ló máa pa ẹ́.
Ogun máa pa ẹ́ wá pa
So
ẹ́.
fẹ́ gbọ́, before you hate me, he go hate you pátápátá. Now you dey give this space.
Yeah, you together.
Ọmọ mi, ó ti di ẹrù jẹ̀jẹ̀, abiná bírímù. Ó ti di àpáta pààrà tẹ́nì kò lè forí sọ, torí ẹni bá forí sọ ikú nílé wọn. Sórí gbogbo ohun tí mo gbé sí ọnú, torí ẹnìkan o, torí ọ̀la ni, tó jogun bá le kó.
Guy, do you believe something? Do you believe I can kill this guy disturbing us?
Baba, you fit kill who? Shey you fit kill her na you no kill her since. You no kill her since all this time wey you don dey kill all of us. Àmọ́ baba, as e gon be like this, all way na way, all die like that, kaja ti kuku kan. Anything wey you want to do am na we dey.
Do you believe at all? Nítorí Olúwa sọ nú ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀. Ó ní tí ìwọ bá ní ìgbàgbọ́ bí hóró mustadi, ó ní wọ́n yóò pàṣẹ fún òkè pé kí ó ṣídìí. Òkè á sì ṣe kíni? Òkè máa ṣídìí.
Filẹ̀, Pastor Kazeem. Pastor Kazeem.
Bàbá mi ló kọ́ mi ní dídá ọwọ́ tí mo mọ̀ dá. Òun ló kọ́ mi ní títẹ̀ ẹsẹ̀ mo mọ̀ tẹ́. Ó kọ́ mi léwé ọ̀tún mo mọ̀. Ó ń jẹ́ kó yé mi pé olúbíkí ló kọjáwé. Ó lọ̀sán ìbíkí ló kọ́ wagbò. Olóró òkun ló pa méjèèjì papọ̀ tí fi ń jẹ́wé àtegbò. Ìbà ti wáyé ọjọ́, ìbà ti wọ̀ oòrùn, ìbà gúúsù, ìbà àríwá. Ìbẹ̀yìn ìyá mi akáká ní ìka òkòkò nìkan àjà. Eriwoji wá wọ̀ sọ́ọ̀bùrì táwọn ìwọ̀n ìwà wọ̀ òru. Mo ṣèbàlẹ̀ ní ẹjẹ́ kí bàmí ó ṣẹ. Ọjọ́ tá a bá gbé eégún ajẹ́. Ìjọba kúrò lóró dáhùn. Ìjọba bá fọmọ láìkó ló ní wà ní ọjà wà bá ní. Ọkọ ò ní yakarẹ́ jẹ̀lébè gbogbo ara ní gúdúgúdú fi ń dira ogun. Ọkọ bá yọ abọ́ náà wá àjà tí ò lọ́mọ́nú kìdí olóṣà lọ́rùn. Ìwọ́dà.
Pastor Olúwo Kazeem.
Ó wá débi olóògùn pé sàbáyì. Arábìnrin o. Arábìnrin. Kí lorúkọ rẹ̀ tí ń jẹ́ nílé aláròkọ fẹ́ mọ̀?
Káyà.
Ara ló ṣe gúnugún wọn ò yá náà. Ara já kàlàmàgbò yáàrùn. Bádìẹ̀ bá kú adìẹ náà jẹ́. Adìẹ afúlápá mi ti ń ṣọmọ kọ̀ ọ̀kùsà. Ó làbí tẹ̀yìn ò bá mú mi, gbogbo ẹnikẹ́ni bá ń bómi ṣọ̀tá kú pí. Gbogbo ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá ń bá wa ṣọ̀tá kú pí. Ẹ̀yà ń gbà. Ẹ̀bùn.
He's dead. Kasim is dead. Imisi. Oh, where will I go? They are all dead. Where will I go? Where will I go?
But wicked hands pulled her down. Blood on the floor, heaven was crying. Angels were silent while Kyle undying. But death was not the end of the story. The wilderness opened in fury. EEWOO, EEWOO, you touched the innocent soul. Abomination, now the spirits take control. Kayalan, your cry became the fire. One by one they fall tonight, consumed by judgment and wrath. EEWOO, EEWOO, come on, no, they sleep forever. Abomination, every evil has a payment.
Ebenza veremo, akwagi fonu ne foromo, na kawa gesu, neburu mi. Lord, I profess my love for you. You are all I am. Hey, you know one more. What happened? Oh, Lord, I thank you. I know that you are too faithful to fail. I know that you bring this my child back. How? God, there is nothing you cannot do. Glory and honor be unto your name. How? Ire, what happened? What happened? Where have you been? Where have you been? Water. Don't worry, I'll get you water. I'll get you water.
Mama.
Hey! So this is all you've been through in that thick forest, my daughter. Hey! This my God. This kind of God, though, I never seen him before. I knew it, my daughter. I knew that my God is not conscience. I knew that you will never, ever in your life join any bad guy.
So, Mama, when am I using back to school?
Nemechiano, don't say that again. Which school you want to go back?
Gentle like morning
going
light.
back to
But death was not the end of the story. The wilderness opened in fury. EEWOO, EEWOO, you touched the innocent soul. Abomination, now the spirits take control. Kayalan, your cry became the fire. One by one they fall tonight, consumed by judgment and wrath. shadows, eyes burning red like fire. Every scream inside the forest turned the hunters into prey. EEWOO, EEWOO. Forbidden blood has touched the earth. Kayalan, Kayalan. Spirit of vengeance, spirit of wrath. No escape from consequences. No